The CW network is rolling out a new initiative, #CWOPENTOALL, an on-air, digital, social, and print campaign that touts the network's commitment to inclusion and representation. The campaign was announced today by Mark Pedowitz, president, the CW network, at its fall launch event on the Warner Brothers lot. "We think this campaign really captures the spirit and mission of the CW and why our fans come to us," said Pedowitz. "We are committed to making sure our viewers see themselves represented on screen, and that we also have diverse voices being heard behind the camera. In fact, 12 of our 17 series this season are created by or executive produced by women or people of color. We are proud of the strides we've made and are continuing to make, and #CWOPENTOALL reflects that, and helps drive the message that we want to be known as a place where all are welcome to be, and all are welcome to watch." The video component of the campaign features a host of different CW stars proclaiming the CW is open to all.
The spots will be featured on air during the CW's primetime programming, as well as streaming on CW social channels, CWTV.com, the CW app, and CW Seed. The video will also appear on targeted media outlets. The first of several spots was released today, and future spots will include virtually all of the CW's primetime stars. The print portion of the new campaign begins rolling out tomorrow in major market newspapers and industry trade publications, featuring a message of inclusion and representation, that the CW is a place for everyone, and all are welcome on screen, and in our audience. Nearly 2/3, 63%, of the showrunner EPs, writers and directors on the CW's scripted programming this coming season are women or people of color. That is up from 53% last year, according to the network. Additionally, 47% of CW series regulars are women, and 49% of CW series regulars are people of color.
The network also boasts Nicole Maines as the first transgender superhero, Dreamer, on Supergirl this season, and plans the first openly gay superhero headlining her own show with Ruby Rose as Batwoman, in development for 2019 to 2020.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.